Look far below. People are in the village. Yes, it looks alive and busy. The path is a little steep. Yes, we must walk slowly and carefully. We are getting closer now. I can see the houses and people clearly. We are in the village now. These houses look very old and beautiful. Look at the cat. It is walking slowly.
Yes. Everything here feels peaceful.
This shop looks nice. The fruits look very fresh. The apple looks delicious. Thank you, sir.
You are welcome.
This village feels very quiet and comfortable. Yes, I really like how peaceful everything is here. People in this village move slowly and calmly. Yes, life here feels simple, quiet, and relaxed. This village feels very calm and comfortable to walk in. Yes, I like how quiet and friendly it feels here. The sound of the water is very relaxing to hear. Yes, this place makes me feel calm and happy. This square feels very peaceful and friendly. Yes, I could sit here for a long time. This small tea place looks very nice and welcoming. Yes, it feels like a good place to rest and relax. The tea is warm and very comforting. Yes, sitting here makes me feel calm and happy. Thank you for the tea. It was very nice. I feel relaxed and happy after sitting here. I will remember this village for a long time. Yes, this visit was peaceful and beautiful. It is time for us to leave the village. Yes, but I am glad we came here today. I will remember this quiet village. It was a peaceful and happy visit. I learned that simple places can feel very, very special. Yes, we do not need big cities to feel happy.